Hi everyone, it's Darlene. Hi, this is Super at 60. Welcome back. I'm so sorry I have been MIA for about a week now. Yeah, I have been feeling really rotten, and I'm just now starting to get over it. So I decided, you know what, I gotta get out. I gotta get out of the bed. I gotta get out of the house. I have to get some fresh air. I have to walk around a little bit. So what else do I like to do when those things all line up? It means go to the grocery store. Besides, we really did need to go to the grocery store. So I hit the store today, and yeah, I did go to Aldi today. It's the closest one I have nearby me. So I did pick up a few things. Our church is also putting bags together for needy for their Thanksgiving meals, and I'm sure we'll be doing another one for the Christmas meal, holiday meals. So I'll show you what was on the list that I needed to have for that, because that's due on Sunday. Yeah. Oh, it is so hot. I just can't believe this weather. It's absolutely crazy. What is it doing by you? Is it snowing? Is it raining? Is it hot as heck in November? I don't know, but here it is sticky, hot, and humid. So let's get turned around. I'll show you this little Aldi haul first, then I'll show you the things that I picked up for the church. All right, let's get going into the haul. All right, my first stop always is good old Chick-fil-A. I needed it so bad, guys. Okay, I picked up some green beans just because we always need them. You guys probably eat a lot of green beans too. I love fresh green beans, but it's just not always convenient. So there you go. All right, I'm going to put together a meal probably tomorrow, and I'm going to call it something like a quick night meal, you know, weeknight meal. I mean, super, super quick. So if this gives you any tips here, I did buy some frozen pizza dough, which I believe this is the first time in my life I ever bought frozen pizza dough. In fact, I've never even seen it at Aldi before, but I saw it and I thought, well, I freeze my pizza dough. How bad could it be? I don't know. We'll give it a try, and of course, you know, I'll let you know. So, and this is how I always make my sauce. I'm going to make this is going to be the plainest, yet most Italian-esque pizza. Yeah, and I'll show you a little bit more of that. I'll tell you a little bit more about that on the next video. I hate to leave you on that cliffhanger, but I promise you it'll be worth it. All right, a pie crust, I know, don't even look, but that's all part of my quick and easy weeknight dinner. That's it, quick and easy weeknight dinner. And good, it's on the video, so I won't forget it. Okay, a little bit of chocolate fudge. Oh, guys, I have to tell you, I have a new love in my life. It is a mocha frappuccino. Okay, well, I've had them before and I've always loved them, but now I'm making my own. I have a fantastic recipe. If you are interested, and I mean this truly, if you want a better than Starbucks mocha frappuccino, let me know and I will do a video. It'll be a short video, but because there's nothing to it, it is so delicious. So delicious. Okay, I have to be careful because I can't eat too many of those. I shouldn't eat any of them, but once in a while is not going to kill us, right? All right, you can either use this hot fudge topping. I'm going to try this for the first time. I have been using the Hershey's squirt kind of stuff, and that works, of course, just fine. Some pineapple. And I got some pestos too, which probably will go along with this little pizza thing that I'm trying to put together. And I got the red pepper pesto. This is delicious. These two things together with some ricotta cheese, some Parmigiano cheese, some fresh herbs like, oh gosh, oregano. Yeah, oregano for pizza, basil for pasta. That's the rule. All right, yeah, that's going to be a delicious dish on, hopefully I'm going to get around to making some homemade pasta one of these days. Okay, so we were low, I mean super duper low on toothpaste, and they did not have them last week, so we're down to, like, you know, squeezing the itty bitty bit of what's left out of our tube upstairs in the master bathroom. So, oh well, we got toothpaste today. All right, my husband needed some lunch meat, so I got 2 packs of that. These nice little blueberries were on sale today for $1.49, I think. I always pick up blueberries when they're on sale, even sometimes when they're not on sale, because they're just so yummy. And then I also picked up a pack of green peppers because why not? They're so good. And they may just be good on that pizza too. All right, my new love of my life. Yes, I love sourdough. Yes, I love creating sourdough. Yes, I love my sourdough starter. But I'm telling you, I grabbed this the other day. I needed sourdough. My sourdough, for some reason, did not turn out. And I was so angry. But anyway, I ended up making fry bread with it, which was delicious. But I wanted this. I needed this. And so I went to Aldi, and sure enough, they have this. It's called, they have a square sourdough, and they have a round sourdough. This is delicious. It is not the hard, crusty boule that you're used to seeing or even making yourself, but it is squished and soft like a sandwich loaf, but it has that tangy sourdough flavor that we all long. It is absolutely delicious. Yeah, and half a slice, just half a slice. You take one of these, one full slice, cut it in half, and that makes a full sandwich. It is so, so good. All right, this pasta right here, this is the specially Aldi brand. The Italian herb sauce is very, very excellent. Very, very good. I picked up a bag of Gala apples because why not, for $1.29. If I use them for nothing more than to cut up a few of them anyway, for my back of the stove potpourri, with a little bit of cinnamon, oh my goodness, this will make my house smell good for a week. It really will. I have been doing that for years and years. I throw all kinds of stuff in that pot and it just smells yummy. And I was in desperate need for all-purpose flour. I do not like this flour. I don't like it that it's bleached. I don't like much about it at all. It does bake up. It does make things. And we'll get through it. But I was in need of just a little bit of flour. So, all right, so let me take you over here and I'll show you. Oh, I did get my turkey. Now, we're not having Thanksgiving at our house this year. We're going out. Or we're going to a little house we're renting deep in the woods, and I am so excited. The family's coming, and we're going to have a good time, and there's this beautiful, beautiful restaurant nearby that serves a wonderful Thanksgiving meal, and we are going there. So that's what we're going to do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I think over the weekend of Thanksgiving. So, but I wanted to have one of these. These were like $1.87. And I always like to get a butterball if I can. I still have last year's in the freezer, but I really would like to make up a whole one. It's kind of big though, isn't it? I didn't even realize how big it is. Woo, that's a big monster. Well, I'll cook it up, make a lot of turkey soup and a lot of turkey tetrazzini and all that fun stuff. So, all right, so over here, here's the little bag, and this little tag was attached to it. It's just cute as could be. And these are all the items that were needed. And so I have the vegetables over here that we need. I think, let me just show you what I got, and you'll know that it's on the list. The vegetables, I need 4 cans of vegetables, some stock, although this label is coming loose here. I don't like that. I might have to get one with a better label on it. Some juice, some oil, some chewy brownie mix, or a brownie mix, that's what I chose. Some fruit. I went ahead and got these little cups of applesauce and some peaches and some pineapple. A bag, a 3-pound bag, no, a 2-pound bag of rice is what they asked for. I couldn't find a 2-pound bag, so I picked up this 3-pound bag. So they get an extra pound. I'm sure whoever gets it will be happy to have that. A bag of sugar and a bag of flour. And the only thing that is missing from here is a box of instant potatoes, and I have those downstairs waiting to put in that little bag over there. So there you have it. That is my haul for today. And it is a beautiful day, that's for sure. My kitchen, oh, my kitchen is such a wreck. You know how it is when you are so sick for several days on end. You can still hear it in my chest. I'm still coughing. You know, your house, things just kind of fall apart. And the dishes don't always get done. I see there's several dishes in the sink over there that I gotta do up. The dishwasher doesn't get unloaded as much as it should. And things just don't get done, although I will say Lou certainly does more than his share. But anyway, I'm glad to be back, and I'm really anxious to film that that quick dinner, quick supper idea for you. The apples actually will be included, should be included in that meal as well. This is going to be super fast, a super quick, put together delicious meal for either you and your husband or you and your family, because you can increase it. You know, many times I will cut recipes in half and you know, leave you the full recipes below. So I'll probably end up doing something like that. Although with these recipes, I'll probably mostly be winging it. You know, I love to wing it here on Super at 60. I'm so happy to see you all today. It absolutely thrills me to be back. And I'm anxious to be filming again tomorrow. So thank you, and for all your well wishes, your cards and notes. You people are so sweet. You are so good to me. I can hardly stand it. I'm gonna cry in a minute. All right, thank you again very much. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.